Reverse driving for dollars, the newest real estate wholesaling strategy that can easily land you 5+ deals a month in your real estate wholesaling business. Yeah, that's right. Reverse driving for dollars. I don't know if you ever heard it. I don't know if this has been coined before, but this is a newer strategy. I don't think a lot of people do. So imagine this. You married direct mail, driving for dollars, and door knocking all together and created a new inbound marketing real estate wholesaling strategy. This video, I'm going to break down exactly what is reverse wholesaling, how I've been implementing it into my business, and how you can do that so you can get 5+ deals a month in real estate wholesaling. Hey guys, if this is the first time you've ever seen me, hello, my name is Zach Ginn, and I am a 21-year-old real estate wholesaler. Me and Rick Ginn together have the largest real estate wholesaling operation in Port St. Lucie, Florida, and we are both on a mission to help you make your first $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. No gurus, no courses, nothing. I give everything out for free because I'm trying to put these guys out of business to help you get the most money possible in real estate wholesaling. Before we get into it, you already know you need to smash that like button and subscribe. So what is reverse driving for dollars? You might be asking yourself this question. You might be a little confused watching this video because not a lot of people talk about the strategy, but it's been absolutely killer. It's a mix of a lot of things. There is sweat equity involved in this, but you can absolutely do very well and easily get 5 deals a month with this wholesaling strategy. So what is it? Basically, it's driving for dollars in reverse. So driving for dollars, if you don't know the process of that, it's driving around your local town or city looking for distressed properties. But what if we can reverse that process? So the driving for dollars process it's an amazing marketing strategy. Don't get me wrong. I absolutely love driving for dollars and still recommend it to this day. Driving for dollars entails you driving around the city, looking and trying to find distressed, maybe vacant looking properties, listrei.com or maybe Deal Machine to do that. And then what you do from there is you build the list and you go market to that list and you hope the seller comes to you from there. Either you're going to cold call that list or do a little driving for dollars on it or maybe hit an RVM on it. And it does very well. The issue is you are seeking out and trying to find this list, and it's a lot of work trying to do that. Now, the way reverse driving for dollars works is you pull the list, you drive around, and you go market while you're driving around. What do I mean by this? It's really not that complicated. What you're going to do is go to listrei.com, download that, and get the Driving for Dollars mobile app. Go to listrei.com, get a 7-day free trial. From there, you can download the free app. It comes with it. What we're going to do is I'm in the app right now on my phone. I'm going to go to Drive. What I'm going to go to is Record Drive, and I'm going to click Set Filters in Drive. So the reason why I like this is we can go in here and really start pulling the list, driving for it, and finding it. So basically what I do from here is I would go here, let's click Vacant, Property Characteristics, do Residential for now. And what I'm going to do here is I'm literally just going to go to Association. I can do whatever I want on that, but really not going to mess with it right now. Click MLS status right now. It's at least 60% equity percentage. Then what we're going to do is click a 15-mile radius. I like to keep it at around 10, and I'm going to click Apply. Basically from here, from 1 to 100, it'll give me the list of the closest to the farthest from me of these type of vacant properties. So all I have to do is just click this address right here. I can go to directions. I can use Waze or Google Maps or Apple Maps right here. Click it, and it'll take me right there, and I go through 1 through 100 really quickly from there. And it is absolutely amazing the way I can actually do this in this app. And I can drive 100 properties if I wanted to from there. What I do is through 1 through 100 from the closest to the farthest, and it'll give me a really cool tailored route from there. Do is get a sticky note right here. Right, hey, this is Zach. I had a quick question. Please give me a call back. And then I'll put 772-000-0000 on there. Put my phone number, and that's all we're going to put. And then I'm going to put that sticky note on their door, or maybe in the mailbox, or maybe on the person's windshield so they actually see it. And then what's going to happen is that motivated seller is going to be coming to us. That's right. They're going to be calling us saying either, why are you stinking putting sticky notes at my house? Or they're going to be calling you asking, Zach, what's the quick question you got? So you put that sticky note. Hey, this is Zach. Hey, I was actually driving around, or if you have someone doing this for you, say, hey, my partner's driving around and we saw the property and it seemed like something we'd be looking to buy for cash. I mean, would you be open to selling your property for cash? and basically have the conversation. You're either going to yes or no. If they say yes, we can go qualify them from there. But if they say no, hey, no big deal, on to the next one. And that's basically it. That is reverse driving for dollars. So let's break it down a little further here. So the perfect lists for reverse driving for dollars is vacants are one of my favorites. Fire damage properties, if you can get that list, really good. ListRIA.com doesn't really do that right now. 3 is code violations. And 4th is pre-foreclosures. Now, that pre-foreclosures, make sure it has a lot of high equity in it, at least 60%. What we want to do is put the sticky note where we don't have to do door knocking. This is not a door knocking thing. This is where we put the sticky note. We don't want to be seen. We want to be ninja, incognito. But if someone does approach us, we're just going to say, hey, we're looking to buy your property cash. Is that something you're interested in? But most of the time, you don't have to do that. You can actually hire people to do this for you for pretty cheap too. A little cheaper than driving for dollars. So it's absolutely an amazing thing to do. Quick tip too is you can actually buy like handwritten stamps where you can actually stamp your note there. If you're doing thousands of these, it becomes a lot easier. It looks like handwritten, but handwriting them, pretty easy to do. Not the biggest deal in the world. What you're going to do again is go to listria.com, pull those lists, get the app. You can actually record the drives if you're hiring someone. So maybe you pick a driver you want to do. You want to pay them for their time or the gas. They want to reimburse you. You want to reimburse them for their gas. They'll record the whole drive. Be really easy to do. You're going to mark it with the sticky notes again, stick it wherever you want on the property. Have the sellers coming to you. What we're basically going to do again there is qualify them. So ask the very 4 questions that all wholesalers need to ask their motivated sellers. Everyone's been using these questions forever. Basically ask them why they're interested in selling the property. Ask for their motivation. Next, you want the condition. What is the status of the property? Does it need a lot of work? Does it not? Next is their time frame. When are they really looking to sell the property? Is this something within the next 2 to 3 months they're looking to do, or maybe in the 6 to 12 month range? Or they're trying to sell this thing as soon as possible. And lastly, their price, how much they're looking to get rid of the property for. From there, you're going to set up the appointment, meet with the seller, go to www.flipwithrick.com/contract, download our free wholesaling contract and our free assignment of contracts so the cash buyer doesn't screw you out of this deal. Get that property locked up with that contract for the lowest price possible. Bring your cash buyers through there. What I recommend is you scrape the cash sales for listria.com and then use smszack.com to actually text that list out. Bring that cash buyer through the property. Agree on a price for a nice profit. I like to be between $15,000 to $20,000 in profit for a newer wholesaler. From there, assign the contract, bring it through the title company, close on it, make your $20K, and repeat. Driving for dollars reverse could absolutely change the game in your real estate wholesaling business. Driving for dollars is a lot of work. You don't like the mindless, like, oh, I don't know, I'm just going to drive around, look for a bad property. The bad properties are already there. They're right there, ready for you to attack and have great and do really good. Another tip for reverse driving for dollars, if you're driving around putting sticky notes and you see a really bad looking house, take the sticky note and put it on there too. You'll get calls coming at you like crazy. And if you're like, Zach, it's a vacant property. If the owner's in like Iowa, how are they going to see it? Usually they have a brother, sister, or someone who checks on the property maybe once every 2 months, and they'll give them the sticky note or something like that, that they'll give you a call or the owner will give you a call. So that's the real trick with this is you want the sticky note to be there. You want it to be yellow so it's very clear, and it's a great way to get the deals. I don't know a lot of wholesalers doing this method, so I think it's absolutely amazing for real estate wholesaling to do this. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you watching this video. If you got any value out of it, please, again, smash that like button and subscribe. Comment below if you've used this method before, if you have any success with it. Are you going to implement it in your real estate wholesaling business? Please let me know. I'm just really curious. Thank you guys so much and have a blessed day.